to get Roblox verification checkmark as fast as possible. There are lots of scam videos out there saying you can get the verification badge by logging into your Roblox account on a website or by playing a certain game. Unfortunately, all of these methods are fake, and you can even read it on the Roblox website to confirm. Roblox will only give you a verified badge in one of three ways. You either need to be some sort of brand figure or celebrity by having at least 100,000 followers on one major social media platform, or 100,000 monthly listeners on Spotify, or being in the Roblox Video Stars program. You could also be a developer, owning an experience with a playtime exceeding 1 million hours in the last 90 days, or being a contributor to an experience and having at least 10,000 legit followers on Roblox, not bot accounts, or you're an avatar item creator and you've made at least 2 million Robux in revenue for the last 90 days with at least 200,000 items sold. Assuming you've made one of those three steps, you then need to give Roblox your ID to confirm you're a real person before they can give you your badge. The Roblox verification badge is a very coveted status and it's hard to get. Do not fall for any scams that try to get your Roblox account or waste your time on a game. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you because it would really help me out. Thank you so much.